Speaking of weird, hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for taking the time to tune in. I appreciate it. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can like, you can dislike, you can subscribe if it's something you'd be interested in doing, I guess. Or if I'm annoying and you want to unsubscribe, do that. But yeah, I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hi, pals. Welcome to Box Day. Well, it's a day I open boxes. It's not Boxing Day. That's a Canadian holiday. But today's the day of boxes. This box is a little bit different. It comes to us from a company based in Wisconsin called 2KICXS. It's just 2KICKS, but it's spelled differently. You can check them out on the internet. They have some social media pages you can follow. I'm putting them on the screen right now in the editing process. It is a membership-based website, so you can pay either $9.99 a week to have access to it, or $19.99 per month. They do have mystery boxes, and that's what we got today. Now, when I say mystery boxes, I have to stress it's mystery box, not beater box. These boxes are designed by 2KICKS to, I guess, kind of bolster your inventory. So these are primarily going to be either very lightly worn or new shoes that are going to be long-term holds. So if you're going into this video expecting to see a box that you're going to make money on quickly, then
the lie detector determined that was a lie.
You're not gonna enjoy it. Well, you might enjoy the video. Probably not, because I'm the host. But this box was $750 plus $10 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $760. There's the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's probably got an easy job today. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe we pull out of this box is worth on the secondary market currently, based on size, condition, all that other good stuff. Then we're going to break down the entire box at the end of the video to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is currently worth on secondary markets. It might not be much, but that's not how this box is designed. Also, if you're interested in any of the shoes, they probably won't be on my website, so I don't know why I'm telling you, but you can still check it out, sbmitch.com. It updates today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Done talking. Let's open the box. These dudes actually reached out to me, just let me know about their company. I was considering checking them out anyway. I wanted to make sure that when I get a box from somebody, let's just say it's as legitimate as possible. I'm not gonna say it, but I'm gonna think it very loudly that there are a lot of YouTubers that get padded boxes out there. So there looks to be only 5 pairs of shoes in here. So that's cool. Got some packing material in here. That's pretty awesome. All right, 5 pairs. Got some grade school stuff. First up is an Air Jordan 1 low in a grade school size 5.5 youth. So these are the Gym Red lows that just came out pretty recently. It's this nice, simple, color-blocked Gym Red Air Jordan 1 low. Got a Jumpman on the tongue, Wings logo on the heel, Jumpman on the insole. Again, this is a dead stock pair. I don't know why I said again, because I didn't say that it was a dead stock pair, but it is a dead stock pair. Now, market value on these might not be a lot, but over time, especially maybe even next summer, these could shoot up pretty good. Because I believe the last time we saw a retro of this colorway was like 2004 or something like that. So it's been a long time. So there's your first shoe out, a size 5.5. 5.5 Jordan 1 grade school Gym Red low. Very cool. This might be another grade school pair or a small pair. I'm not 100% sure. It's a size 6.5 youth Air Jordan 1 mid in a grade school size. Recognize these immediately. These are the light smoke gray Air Jordan 1 mid. Grade school size, again, 6.5 youth. Mids have been getting better and better over the past like year because people are actually wearing them. So quality on these is not as good as a Jordan 1 high, but it's still pretty decent compared to what mids were a while ago. Got another dead stock pair. No wear, nothing whatsoever. Air Jordan 1 mid, light smoke gray. Very cool, 6.5 youth. Another nice little thing 2KICKS does is they have this little thing on here that shows the authenticity, I guess. It says, please inspect product and do not remove tag unless satisfied. It's actually a pretty good thing to do. It's pretty smart, actually. All right, let's see. I'm gonna grab this. Got an Air Jordan 1 in a size 9. Got a little bit of lid damage, but hey, that's okay. It's not too bad. Nice. Another dead stock pair. So this is a release that I personally thought would do a lot better than it did, but it's still good. This is the Pine Green 2.0 Jordan 1. It's actually, the leather quality is not as bad as I expected it to be. This is my first time seeing this pair in hand. Classic Air Jordan 1 color blocking, got a green outsole, white midsole, black and green on the upper. You got the Nike Air leather tab on the tongue, but it's got red Nike Air. I believe there's red Nike Air branding on the insole too. Can't really complain. I don't know what the market is on these right now, but honestly, I mean, it's a Jordan 1. Over time, it's gonna go up. That's just how this thing works. So there you go, size 9, Jordan 1, Pine Green 2.0, Part Deux. Let's see, what's this? Size 9, Air Foamposite Pro. Oh, I remember these. I haven't seen these in hand either. These are goofy. They smell pretty funny. Got another dead stock pair. I think they're just called like purple camo or something like that. Interesting. Really interesting, actually. Got a black outsole. This like purple and violet like camo upper with a black swoosh. It's been so long since I've seen new Foamposites. I don't even know what the retail on Foamposites is. It's probably at least like $600 or something like that. 230 retail on a Foamposite. That's hilarious because, I mean, it makes sense. This is basically like wearing like metal clogs on your feet. So, but a dead stock pair. Can't really complain. Size 9, Air Foamposite Pro. I don't know what the actual like name of that is, but I've seen them. And we got one more pair in this $750 2KICKS box. It's a size 11 Air Jordan 4. I'm not keeping it, don't worry. This is a pair I actually got early access to and returned because I didn't want to keep them because that's kind of the kind of guy I am. This is another pair that hadn't seen a retro since like the mid 2000s or something like that. It's the Cool Gray 4s. I really like this pair. I think it's really very well done. It's basically true to the OG, not OG, but the 2004 release is what it is. I've had a couple pairs of them. This is really nice. I mean, it's just a really simple, muted, not too out there kind of colorway. It's OG enough. There you go. There's your last pair, size 11. Cool Gray 4s, and that is a $750 2KICKS mystery box. Now, keep in mind, again, these boxes are not designed to be quick flips. They're designed to be holds, and this is like perfect for me because I'm holding things now for the holiday season. But let's take a look and see what the current market value is up against how much I paid right now. Cool. I mean, this is exactly what I expected from this kind of box. He told me right away, like, hey, it's not a quick flip box. And that's the kind of stuff I like. Like the Drone Kicks boxes are kind of like that too. I can't complain about it. If you are interested in checking them out, their website is 2KICKS.com. Check them out on social media, 2KICKS, at 2KICKS, I think, like that. The dude's a really, really nice guy. But do keep in mind that this is the kind of box you're gonna get if you're going after that kind of stuff. But they also have like individual pairs under current market, which is pretty cool. So check them out. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this box in the comments. I know a lot of people are used to me getting boxes that have quick flip value. This box doesn't have quick flip value, so if it's not something you like, just say not my kind of box. Don't say trash box, because then you're just looking like an a-hole, which is pretty common for YouTube commenters. But hey, I'm not here to judge. Yes, I am. Hey, have a good rest of your weekend. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to take care of each other and to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.